Hey there, I'm Ellie from Thief, and today I'm taking you behind the scenes of industry to where it all begins. And yes, we're talking about machine tools. And trust me, it's way more fascinating than you think. Machine tools are like the silent giants of industry. They're behind the world's biggest projects. I mean, everything we see around us exists thanks to them. Like planes, trains, and even railroads, fighter jets, and rockets. And I don't have any more room, but also submarines, reactors, and even armored vehicles, and so much more. Choo! They machine massive parts, sometimes several meters wide, weighing tons. And yet, they work with microscopic precision, down to just a few microns. That's thinner than a human hair.
When we design a machine for aerospace, nuclear power, rail, or any sector where we transport people, we aim for stability, repeatability, and absolute accuracy. Each industry has its own challenges. Nuclear needs perfect quality and traceability for very large and heavy precision parts. Aerospace demands agility and speed, carving high-performance material with dynamic accuracy. Rail and other passenger transport sectors require long-term reliability, safety-critical tolerances, and consistent precision across millions of operational cycles. Every machine is tailored to its mission.
In aerospace, we work with long, thin parts, often aluminum, titanium, or composites. But you're probably wondering why. Well, it's because lighter means better performance. So we start with the raw materials and remove just what's needed. This means every cut counts. And the lighter the aircraft, the lower the overall consumption. Now that's sustainability and performance in one move. In the next episode, we'll talk about machine tools and how they shaped modern industry and how they're still driving innovation today. But that's just the beginning. In this series, we take a look at the reality behind the machines, our expert tips, our successes, and even our struggles. It's real, it's raw, and it starts right now. Subscribe, follow Thief, and welcome to Big Moves.